morning. You're welcome back. Merry Christmas. It's the season of Christmas. Hallelujah. It's the season of Christmas. Are you excited? All right. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you. It is Christmas season. So let me show you how to cook a very delicious meal that your family will keep asking for more. You don't want to cook the same thing you've been cooking all year long. Come on now, spice it up. Do something different, alright? So to that, I do have the onions. I grilled my onions, the red bell pepper, grilled that as well, and a little bit of this dried pepper. I just took about, I think 5 out of these, and I used the remaining one to make a delicious stew. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and click the card above to see that. For this stew, I only took 5 out of, and that is the grilled fresh red bell pepper. And I put all of those in my blender and blend it to be completely smooth. Grab a pot and pour in my flavored oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but it's better to use flavored oil. If you want to know how to make that, go ahead and search on my channel, click flavored oil, and it will come up for you. Let's get right on. I tossed in my bay leaf and let that bay leaf sit for about 2 minutes. It can infuse into the oil, and I poured in curry powder, nutmeg, a little bit of cloves, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and thyme. I stirred all of that together so that way it doesn't get burnt and it can infuse into the oil very well. Just take a look at the oil already. Flavored oil with some added stuff. Try this stew, honestly. Just try this. Pour in your pepper and just rinse off your blender. See, too much oil, please. This oil is not plenty at all, and I will show you at the end of it. Okay, I am cooking a lot of stew, so I'm not sure how you guys are seeing this on the screen, but just keep watching. And adding salt, a little bit of seasoning, and pour in my smoked hen, store-bought smoked hen. I added the smoked hen at this point because I need it to be more softened. And I also added the cow skin. If your cow skin is soft, then you don't need to add it now, but I added mine at this point because it is still hard. Turn it together very well so that way the salt can incorporate well into your pepper. Cover it up and let that cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open it back up. Take a look at that. Can you see? I did not scoop out the oil at all. Okay, I did not. That is it. And then I added my Cameroonian pepper. I just love the flavor that it brings to my meal. Stir that together.
Good cooking is good looking. Expand your scope of cooking. Best from exterior, best kitchen. Learn how to make a yummy food. In exterior, best kitchen. Everything is yummy, yummy.
At this point, you want to taste it to see if you need to add any more salt. If not, go ahead and add your remaining protein of your choice. Once that is added, stir it together again, and I can stir it because all the proteins that you see me adding in here, they've been grilled. Cover it back up and let it cook. Once you see the oil coming off on top, then your stew is done. This is the final outcome. I honestly wish I could serve you. Like, I wish you guys could taste this. I kid you not. This stew is so just try it out. I did not scoop out the oil, okay? So the oil was what that cooked this stew. That is it. That is the oil that you guys see at the beginning. That is it. I did not scoop it out at all. And that is our stew, and our stew is done. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.